With the generous donation to Camillus House today, you have a cookie sheet, okay? This cookie sheet, yeah, I see them. We're gonna use this to cook our entire dinner. In other words, we don't have to mess around with all sorts of skillets or pots. It makes cleanup easy. It's all in one pan. So all of you should have chicken in your meal kit. I don't know if you've opened it yet. Go ahead and open it. Get out your cutting board. Get out a knife. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice this chicken up. Ready to go. I like to put it on the board horizontally and then just make 1-inch slices. So what you're looking for is to make these long, kind of chicken fingery slices, okay? Go ahead and put all that cut chicken into the bag. Okay, our next step, find this fajita mix. Does everybody have that? Show it to you. Yep, I see it. This is a tip. You can buy this fajita mix at a grocery store for $1.29. And I tell you that is important because if you knew all the spices in this mix, it's got paprika and cumin and chili powder and onion and garlic powder. If you were to buy all of those spices individually, you'd be spending well over $10. But here, you get it all put together. It's all mixed for you. It's easy to just go ahead and open. And you're gonna wanna dump that into your Ziploc bag. That vegetable oil you guys have. Show me the vegetable oil if you have it. Okay, you're gonna go ahead and open it and you're gonna pour it all into the bag over that fajita spice. Okay? Then go ahead and zip up that Ziploc. And this is the fun. Mash it up. Let all that seasoning and oil get all over that chicken. Yep, you got it. There you have it. Now you have your fajita chicken ready to go. So now let's take that sheet pan. And in your bag, in your meal kit, you should have received some frozen vegetables. Okay, so this is called a pepper stir fry. And what I like about this is it's different colors of peppers. It's like a rainbow of peppers. It's green, yellow, red peppers, and it's also sliced onions. Now, just like with the fajita mix, I find that this is a very budget-friendly thing to do because if you know how expensive it is to buy a red pepper or yellow pepper and green pepper, they average about $2.99 a pound. And to put 3 of those plus an onion together, you've got probably 3 pounds worth of vegetables you're paying for. This entire packet did all the prep work for you, and it was only $3. So it's a good tip. And I love it because you can always have it in your freezer, and when you come home in a hurry, you just go ahead and grab it along with the chicken. You're gonna just layer that on the bottom of your sheet pan. Okay, everyone following? Yep. Spread it out, get a nice even layer there. Okay, with your vegetables on your sheet tray, guys, go back to your chicken that's been sitting in its marinade. And what we're gonna do with this, grab that chicken and place it on the sheet pan. Just go ahead and spread it all over the sheet pan. Don't worry if it's on top of vegetables or not. Just make sure you separate it so it can get some even cooking. Y'all see mine? That's what you're looking for. You're looking for your chicken and your vegetables to be all on the pan. We're gonna go ahead and put this entire sheet pan in the oven. Remember, your oven has been preheating at 425. So this is gonna go in the oven for exactly 20 minutes. All right, let's go ahead, take those tortillas that you have with your wet paper towel on top, pop that in the microwave for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do the same, I'll be right back.
Yummy.
See? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So it's all put together for you guys. Now it's time to talk.
That's amazing. Yes.
Hold on, let me show you.
Okay, you show me. Let me see yours.
Okay. Here it is.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that chicken. It's perfect. And now's the time to call the family and say, dinner. Everybody comes for dinner.
Gracias. Thank you.
Gracias a usted.
Thank you, everybody. Enjoy.
Thank you.
God
I'm
bless.
going to show you.
Mine just
Wow.
here.
Wow,
Here.
qué lindo. Ay, gracias para la
You can
lechuga.
see it.
Not gonna lie, this is mega good.